Ngayon 2026, I realized that we have to stop looking for the niche that fits you. We have to stop asking people na, hey, ano ba ang niche na dapat ko pasukan na has the biggest potential to earn? Because I realized, no, na you are your own niche. Every person has their own specialization. Meron silang skills that they're passionate about na hindi na-realize na kaya nila itong pagkakitaan, hindi man online as like us na virtual assistant or digital freelancers, but pwedeng face to face. Like me, I am a multi-passionate person. Okay, I can do not just social media management, not just social media marketing, not just talent sourcing. I discovered I can do also AI software engineer. I can also do like lovable expert, or I can build any tool for a client or an app using AI. 'Di ba? And I can also that's all digital, but I can also train in restaurants kasi specialization ko 'yon. I can also do you know, guest recoveries for restaurants and consolidate their complaints. 'Di ba? I can do a lot. So, all these things na meron ka, hindi mo pa kasi na-discover. But I'm sure, may skill ka na isa na pwede mong gamitin, 'di ba? Na sanay ka na madami ka ng results, no, na confident ka na pwede mo pagkakitaan, no, hindi man online pero kahit face to face as a freelancer. And this is something that I want you to discover because this is your gift. So stop overthinking. You are the niche. You just have the specialization na talagang magaling ka, na confident ka, na hindi mo pa na-discover. No? So, sit down, think about it, and balikin mo ako sa comment section. What is this one thing that you're passionate about na sa tingin mo pwede mo pagkakitaan online? Comment here. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.